Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anushtha. Today's video is a beginner's makeup kit. So I'm going to tell you all about these makeup products that you should use as a beginner. If you are a beginner just starting out with makeup, these are the products that you should use because these are very affordable and good quality also. I'm going to tell you about all these products, each and every makeup product that you should use. And before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Let's get bigger and better, grow together. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon so you always get notified when I upload my next video, which is always Wednesday and Sunday. Now let's get started.
And it goes a little something like
The first step is primer. A good primer is really important. But if you don't want to invest in primer, you can always use a moisturizer as an alternative, which is also a good option. So yeah, I'm going to tell you about a primer which you can use as a beginner. So this is the primer which you should use as a beginner. This one is Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. It tones, smoothens, and it's perfect. So it's a really good primer. I've been using it for a really long time. You can see it's almost over. And the pricing is for $4.99. It's affordable. I really like this primer. It's really nice. You know, it just smoothens your face wherever you apply. It just smoothens the face. It's really good. So I think this is a primer. If you're not a beginner also, I think this is one of the good primers out there. Second one is foundation. Now foundation is a base. It's really important to use a good foundation, and I have this one. It's a Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and it's the best affordable foundation out there, and I don't think it's any other foundation you should apply. So this one is Maybelline Fit Me foundation matte plus polish, and it says it's for normal to oily skin. But I think each one can use it. Mine is not on the very oily side, but I also use it and it's really amazing. It's also with SPF 22. So if you're not applying sunscreen, you can definitely just go with this foundation also. And a good foundation is so important because it's the base of your makeup. And if you don't apply a good foundation, the whole makeup is just gonna look so bad. This is affordable also and really good quality also, and the pricing for this one is for $5.49. And this foundation is my go-to foundation. I apply it so much, and I think this foundation you should go for. The third one is a concealer. Now concealer is so important. I can't even tell you, to have a good quality concealer is so much important in your makeup kit, especially when you're a beginner. I think most of the time if you just apply concealer, you know, when you have to hide pimple or pigmentation or any spot, you know, concealer is the one. So here I have is Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Purpose Concealer, and this is the concealer, my go-to concealer, and it's one of the best concealers out there. So this is my go-to concealer. It's multi-purpose. I use this so much, and I think if you're a beginner, this is the concealer you should have, and it's so good. And the pricing for this one is for $6.20. It's very easy to apply. You know, today also I have applied this concealer and it's so good. So you should have this one in your makeup kit. So the fourth is a loose powder. Now you can either go for loose powders or compact, but I would say you're a beginner, so just go for loose powders because compact is just too much for a beginner, I feel. And loose powders mein kya hota hai? It has no color. It's white. So it would go with every skin shade. It's so easy. You don't have to worry a lot about your skin shade and seeing if it's going with your skin shade and all. I have this one. So this one is a K-Beauty HD Translucent Loose Powder in white. Having a good loose powder is so important. You know, to set your base, it's very important. You don't want to sweat and your whole makeup will wipe off. No, you don't want that, right? So it just sets your makeup, your base and everything. So this one is for $7.99, but it's really worth it. This is the loose powder that you should have in your makeup kit. So fifth one is the eyebrow pencil. Now eyebrows are so important for me. Eyebrows are damn important to be in shape. As a beginner, I think eyebrows are not very difficult to make. It's very easy, especially with the eyebrow pencils. The one I have is this one. Is the Arch Arrival Brow Definer, and this one is really good, and it's by Sugar Cosmetics. So this is like this is a twisted form. It would come out like this, and the other side has the brush. So you just brush your brows This one is really nice. I think this one is really nice. I've been applying since it's been months. I've been applying this product and it's really good and it's affordable. It's for $4.99. If you're an eyebrow person, you should have this. So next one is eyeshadow. So as a beginner, make sure when you're buying eyeshadow palettes, they have good pigment. It's so important. So I have this one. This one is from Revolution. It's their Reloaded Red Alert palette. And Revolution makes really good palettes and I love their palettes. So this palette has like so many color options and this is so good. Like it has peach, purple, pink and some nudes and white. So this has like almost all the colors which as a beginner you should use and explore with, and also the pigmentation of this palette is really good. I've been using this one for so long and the pigmentation is so good. Like just in one swipe you can see. And it is for $9.50, which I think is good because you don't get good eyeshadow palette which has a really good pigmentation and which has a lot of color options also in one palette. You would love them. Yeah, so then is the eyeliner. And eyeliner is so important for all of us, right? And as a beginner, the most amazing eyeliner has to be this one, which is by Maybelline New York, and it's the Colossal Liner. And this is the liner that I think you should go for. I love this eyeliner, but in general, I'm not much of an eyeliner person. I'm much of a kajal person. But this is a liner that you should go for, and it's just for $4.20 and it's so good. So yeah, this is the liner you should go for as a beginner. Then is the kajal. So the kajal that I have here is the Nykaa Eye Smoky Kajal in black, and this is so good. This is just jet black and it's really good. So it has one side has the pencil and the other side is the sponge so that you can just make the smoky eyes look, and the color is like jet black, you can see, and it's really good. The pricing for this kajal is for $4.75 and it's really good and it's really worth it. Then is a mascara. Now when you say mascara, it has to be Maybelline. Like Maybelline is go-to product for a good mascara which is affordable also and the quality is amazing. This is the mascara I love and this is the Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara and the pricing is for $3.10. Like, isn't it amazing? It's so good. I've been using it for such a long time and just gives you the perfect lash that you want. So this is the best affordable mascara. It's really good. It gives you perfect curl lash and I just love. So this is a mascara that you must have in your makeup kit. And I have my most favorite product which I love to use is a blush. Now this is the Maybelline Fit Me blush and this is in the shade Rose. And I love this one. This is the perfect blush. It has more color variations also. Look at this blush. It is so good. And it has some sparkle also. So that just adds some glitter on your cheeks too. And I love this blush. Like it's so good. It's just perfect pigment and I love the color. And these blushes are just best one out there. And they're super affordable also. The pricing for these blushes is for $4.40. And yes, I'll put the link of all these products in the description box down below, so make sure you check it out. And then for the highlighter has to be this one, which is the Maybelline New York Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter. And I love this highlighter. Have been using it since year. So this one which I have, it's in the shade Molten Rose Gold and I love the color. It's so pretty. You can see बीच में थोड़ा खाली भी हो गया है, मैंने इतना यूज कर लिया है तो ये बस I just love this one. I just love this highlighter. It's perfect. Just one swipe, it gives you perfect highlight. And the pricing for this one is just for $5.15. I can just say you this one is the best one out there. Like it just gives you perfect highlight, has a perfect shimmer. And yeah, in just one swipe. You just don't need to reapply it a lot of times. This is a highlighter you should have in your makeup kit. And for the lipstick, which we all love to apply, has to be Maybelline again. I think Maybelline just makes one of the best products with affordable prices also. So what's better than that, right? So this is the one I love. It's in the nude. So this is the nude color. It's in there 657 Nude Nuance, and I love this color. It's a nude color, and this pricing is just for $2.99. So this lipstick is sensational creamy matte lipstick, and it's the best lipstick, believe me. There are many high-end lipsticks out there, but this lipstick, nothing can beat these Maybelline lipsticks. Like, they make such good creamy matte lipsticks. I love this one. I have made a video also of best brown, best nude lipsticks out there in affordable ranges, and it's there in that video also. I just love these Maybelline lipstick. They have a lot of shades also. So you must have a Maybelline lipstick in your kit, definitely. So we are done with all the makeup products, but you're missing one thing. A fixer. You need a fixer, so important. This is the one. So this one is the Makeup Fixer Natural Aloe Vera with Vitamin E, and it's by Swiss Beauty. So this makeup fixer is almost over. I've been using it for so many months. Pricing it's for $2.49. I will link the product in the description box so you can check it out, or if you want to purchase it. And now, as a beginner, I don't want you to invest in all those high-end makeup brushes, which are of no use for you as of now. So this sponge is all what you need to do all your makeup. Like, obviously for eye makeup you need those brushes, but for your face, for your base, this sponge is all you need, and it's from Nykaa and it's for $4.25. And having a good sponge is so important. Like, always check it's good, like it's soft and all. And Nykaa makes really good sponges, and this one is really good. So you can just blend your foundation, your concealer, you can just do your loose powder and everything. And this one you should have in your makeup kit. Now, a good makeup remover is so important, which doesn't harm your skin, which is a good quality, which suits all skin types. It's so important. So one I have right here has all these things. So this one is Garnier Skin Naturals My Clear Cleansing Water. So even you have a sensitive skin, this can go for you. One you can use for face, eyes, lips. So this is for whole face. And this one is dermatologically tested also, which is so good, and I've been using it so much. You can see it's already almost over. And for the pricing thing, it's only for $3.49, which is very affordable. And this is the best makeup remover you can have in the affordable ranges, I would say. This is so good. I just used this one. You should have this makeup remover in your makeup kit. So guys, that's it for the video. All you need in your beginner's makeup kit that you should have. And I love these products, you know. I'm telling you these products because I love all these products. I've been using these products for a really long time. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and like this video. And if you did, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so you always get notified when I upload my next video. Till then, bye.